I've been wanting to paint the dash panels in my car. Like, I wanted to do something with them, and originally I was just gonna do white because I want the interior of my car to be white so I can change the outside of my car without worrying what the inside looks like, so it just goes with everything like all the time. So I want to do the whole car white, and so I wanted to start with my panels. So I picked up some new panels so I didn't ruin the ones that are on the car now. That was the original plan, and then I was thinking, like, I do art, so I want to do something a little bit more unique that's gonna stand out, and if I don't like it, I'll just go for the white. But I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see how it goes. So we're gonna run to the store right now and we are gonna go pick up a bunch of things for this. I feel like shit today and I'm like really dizzy, so we're gonna hopefully actually make it to the store. So we're gonna see. If I don't make it to the store, then also I wanted to show you guys, I finally got my hands on a Labubu. Look at this little thing. I actually hated these things. I actually like despised of them. Like, they just kept popping up on my TikTok, and like I was like, these things are butt ugly. Like, these things are disgusting. And then they grew on me, and it's like a gambling addiction. Like, I literally am on the Popmart website, like refreshing and trying to get my hands on more of these little monsters. Like, what even is this? I want to collect all of them. I want every single one in my inventory now. These things are fucking hard to find. I don't want to spend, okay, you know what? I may or may not have spent a little bit over my budget, just a little bit over my budget for that little thing. But yeah, just thought I'd show you guys that. Okay, so like, it's literally the next week since I filmed last, and I got nothing done. Like, I painted and like test run everything for like hours, and then like I just went to bed, and then I never filmed again, and I didn't get anything done. So it's the next week, and I'm gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna get some more of these things. I want more really, really bad. So I'm hoping I could get some. So let's see. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Also, my camera's at like 10%, so we're gonna see if I can film anything at all. So I just got my stuff, and I'm going to open these now because I can't wait. I'm so excited. I ended up getting a skull panda as well. Little haul. I actually spent more than I thought I was gonna spend, and I only got 2 things. So obviously, the Labubu. I'm excited to open this. And then I also got a skull panda. I've like been wanting these, and I'm just kind of like on like a money splurge right now, and I just kind of like, I'm fine with spending money today apparently. So I finally got one to start my collection. But I'm gonna open these. I'm not gonna say which one I want, because usually when you say you want one, you don't get it, or like, you know. But I think I already have toffee, so let's see. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm not gonna look at the card. Where's the thing? Okay. Oh wow, okay, that didn't even tear. Nice. Let's on this side. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see first. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. So I actually already have this one. This is actually the one that I fucking own. The only one that I own. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one. I love all of these. These are all literally so cute to me. I want every single one of them immediately. And these are like, I heard that they're very well made, which I like about certain things. I'm scared. I've never opened one of these before. right. Oh my god, she is so cute. Oh my god, I love her. Oh my gosh. These are so adorable. Are you kidding me? Oh, how cute. Oh, she came with stuff. She came with stuff, guys. She's called the Grief. Okay, real. She comes with like a veil and like a stand. Can you see this? You can't even see her with the thing on. Can I put it on backwards? I think the veil is pretty pointless because you can't really see her, but so cute. Now I can actually start. Oh my god, wait. She matches my car. She's black and purple. What a W. What a W. She comes with a stand as well, thank god, because I know these things don't stand very well. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, you know what? Other than getting a duplicate that I already have, that wasn't that bad. So I just got done with the idea that I want to do. I want to try to do it at least. So this is the kind of the idea that I want. So I did lilies for the flower that I want, because they are my favorite flower. I wanted to do things I liked, just so it's more personal. And then I did a tiger because tigers are my favorite animal, and I always try to incorporate those every single time I do art. I don't know why, I just do. So I want some lilies over here, and then I kind of just put lilies everywhere that I felt like should be. Didn't really know what to do for this side, and honestly, I plan to get a CarPlay, and the CarPlay I want takes up the whole panel anyways, so I just kind of didn't want to do too much detail, so I just ended up choosing just the same flowers that are going to be on this side, just reversed. And then I also want to do like a pinstripe around the black. I'm going to do that last because I'm not sure if I really want to do that or not. So now we need to take this and we need to sketch it on the actual panels. So I need to figure out an easy way to do that because I did just spend a couple hours doing this and trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I was able to trace my already drawn out piece. So here's the paper. I was able to put some, I put mica powders on the back of the paper, and then I just drew over it with a pencil, and it just is able to get onto the material that's underneath. So it's really hard to see, but I have it all sketched out. I'm gonna wait to do like the end flowers because I think I'm just gonna do this by freehand. But yeah, so now we're gonna paint. We're gonna use acrylic paint, and hopefully it goes as planned. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna paint, and hopefully it comes out right. This is what the first layer is looking like. I think it looks pretty good so far. I have not used acrylic paint in forever, and I always forget how quickly it dries, so it's kind of thick in a lot of places, so I might have to redo that. But other than that, first layer down. Now we're gonna do the next layer, which would be like the darker parts, and then the lighter parts, and then so on and so on. This is what I have got so far. I've been working on it for a couple of hours. It's coming out pretty nice, but I'm gonna go take a break and then come back to it. So it's been like a couple of weeks since I've like actually recorded again. I did end up finishing the one panel, so let's go put it in my car for the final reveal.
We make the strings louder.
its glory. I clear coated it and everything, but I think I'm actually gonna add like an epoxy coat over it later on. I decided to not worry about this panel because I plan to get a car plate and it is like its own panel, so I was like, there's no point in doing all the effort for another panel that's gonna be gone soon. I have an 86 logo that came with my car that I plan to put like right here. Other than that, this is the final reveal. It came out really, really good, and I think it is exactly what I was looking for. It looks pretty good with the interior, I think. Once I get the CarPlay and stuff, it'll like blend together a little bit better, but I think it looks good. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!